Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you the top 5 features of GitHub Copilot inside Visual Studio Code that can make your coding faster, easier, and way more fun. Let's jump right in. Copilot lets you ask questions directly in your code comments. For example, in Python, I can ask a question like this. So the question was, what is array slicing in Python? The answer is array slicing in Python refers to the process of extracting a portion of an array. Copilot will generate an explanation or example right inside your editor. This is a great way to get quick answers without leaving Visual Studio Code. Copilot even understands natural language in your own language. For example, I'll type in Hindi one of the comments and you'll see the magic happening. So I'll go down here. Pandas module को import करो. Have a look at this. How cool, right? It has imported the pandas module as PD as mentioned in Hindi. So I'll choose this one and keep it handy for me. See, it has also given me the other option. NumPy module को import करो. I can accept that as well and move ahead. So to accept it, just press a tab and then an enter. Let's go to the next one. Now you can evaluate code suggestions as you type. For example, now I want a method which can concatenate two arrays. I'll go here and I'll give that in a comment. I'll give an enter and then I'll give a def. And see, it has given me a method. Either I can accept this one or any one which it gives as a suggestion. So I will choose this one and your method is ready. Cool, right? It can give multiple suggestions as well, but here the question was fairly simple, which is why it has given just one answer. Now let's go to one of the most coolest part over here, which is to explain the code. So what I'll do is I'll just highlight this part, give a right click and go down, and here I'm going to say explain. Once I click explain, you will see the explanation will start coming up in the right hand bar. It is going to explain the whole function to you. Let's go to the next part where I'm going to deliberately introduce an error and then I'll ask it to fix it. So I'll just deliberately remove this one. We have an error now. I'll select the whole code. I'll go right click and then I'm going to say generate code and I'll say fix. As you can see, there's an inline chat which comes up, and here it has given me a suggestion that you have missed one of the brackets. So I'll accept it and see, it has fixed the error. This is fairly cool because it can give you quick suggestions in fixing your code. Now let's go to one of the most important ones, which is to always commit your code in a source code tool. I always emphasize it because the LLM models are non-deterministic. So every time they may give some different results, which is why it is very important for us to keep committing it in a source code tool. To do that, just click over here in the source code part. And here, as you can see, it has given me one suggestion, right? I can choose another one by clicking these two stars. So no more wasting time in coming up with commit messages. It's done for you automatically. So these were the top 5 features of GitHub Copilot. Let me emphasize them again. You can ask questions in commit in editors. You can understand your own native language and use it. You can evaluate code suggestions. You can explain and fix code. And you can use auto commit messages. With these features, Copilot becomes more than just autocomplete tool. It's like having an AI coding partner right inside VS Code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow developers. See you in the next one.